Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and isolating the wire so you measure just the conductor, not the circuit. Once done, set your multimeter to continuity mode. The symbol usually looks like a sound wave or diode. Touch the probes together to confirm the meter beeps or shows near 0 ohms. This verifies the tester. Make sure wire ends are exposed and separated from other conductors. Strip a small section if needed, so the probe can make solid metal contact. For a reliable place one probe on each exposed end of the wire or on the connector pins you want to test, making firm contact. If the multimeter beeps or the display shows close to 0 ohms, the wire has continuity, current can flow. If the meter shows OL or a very high number, the wire is open or broken. While holding probes, gently wiggle the cable and connectors to reveal intermittent breaks or corroded contacts. That helps locate damage that only appears under stress. When you finish, recheck continuity after any repair and insulate exposed metal with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape to prevent shorts. If you still get no continuity, inspect the entire length for visible breaks, kinks, or corrosion at terminals and crimps. Replace the wire if internal copper is fractured. Also verify your multimeter and probes are working by testing a known good wire or touching probes together. One key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good meter or wire to isolate whether the problem is the tool or the wiring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.